production boards and all that sort of thing. It's because they're not necessary at the time. That's the end result. What we're going to do right now is start at the beginning process of breaking down your script. Now, as I mentioned, you do 8/8 of a page. You do eighths of a page, and each page equals 8/8 because 8/8 equals 1. So each page is 1 page. And as you break it down, you're going to find that some pages seem to have more than 8/8 on there. You can put that extra eighth in there. I tend not to. I tend to figure out which scene is the simplest one and turn that, whether it looks like a longer scene or a bit more, I turn that into less eighths, so that the page always adds up to 8/8 of a page. So come a little closer and I'll show you what I do. First thing I do is, I start with a script. I always take the brads out. You don't need them, and you're going to start flipping through it anyway. So you take the script, put the brads over there. You're just going to walk through it with your pencil. And you almost scan it. You read it a bit, but as much as anything, you're kind of scanning it, and you're looking for the visual pattern in here. And so, for instance, this first scene, boom. I'm going to call that 2/8 of a page, and I write it right here in the margin. The rest of the scene, scene 2, takes up the rest of the page, and so if it's 8/8 of a page, remember, so that it equals 1 page, the rest must equal 6/8. Okay? And I write that right here in the margin. 2 6/8. So then on to the next page, and this entire page is a continuation of scene 2, so I just put a 1. That's all 1 page, 8/8 of a page. And then I'm on to the next page, and here we have a break, and scene 3 enters. So this bit of the scene is, I'm going to say again, it's 2 lines and 1 shot. I'm going to call that actually 1/8. Because it looks like there's a lot going on here. And I'm going to call this, what else? 7/8. Sorry if my 7's a little funky, that's how I write them. And then we turn the page and we do it again. Going again right at the next bit. This one looks a little longer. I'm going to say that's 3/8 of a page, and so on and so forth. I'll keep breaking down this script. You go ahead and break down your script. I'll see you in a bit.